My peeps, what's going down? All right, think about this. Do you have a habit of watching television on a regular basis? When I say watching television, I'm talking purely for entertainment value only. If you're watching it to study something or better your craft, that's not what I'm talking about. If you watch TV for purely entertainment value on a regular basis, think about this. This is basically telling you that you have set up a day-to-day regimen. What is it that you do in your daily life, whether it be work or things for that matter, things that you don't do, that is less interesting than watching television? Think about this. If your life has become less interesting than watching television, it's probably fucking time to start analyzing what the fuck's going on here, what you need to do to your daily rhythms and the planning of your success, the planning of your day to make tomorrow more fucking interesting than watching television. Because if you're truly interested in getting where you want to go, you've got to have a serious interest in what you're doing. And if your interest is in watching television, you are missing the mark, my peeps. The best piece of advice I can give you is this. Plan. Tomorrow's success is planned today. Well, what are you planning tomorrow? Is tomorrow have a bunch of shit that is basically less interesting than watching TV? That's probably the issue that's happening right now. So it's time to start planning tomorrow with activities or things that are of your interest that are going to hold your attention to better yourself rather than going home to watch television or whenever you watch TV. But the bottom line is this, think about this. If you are watching TV on a regular basis, entertainment type only TV, your life has become less interesting than watching the fucking television. Think about it.